If you've been watching my videos, you know I'm stuck with beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Licia here and it's good to have you here. If you're tuning to watch me for the first time, you are welcome. If you're returning to watch me, then you're absolutely welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I came up with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so welcome back. I'm gonna be starting off with my brows and I'm gonna be using the brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz. This is in chocolate. Brow pencil I'll be using to fill up my brows is from Nika Cosmetics. It looks like this. I don't want my brows to be too dark, so I'm gonna use this to lightly fill up my brows. Use my spoolie to brush my brows up. I would start off with the Juvia's Place concealer to clean up my brows first before I go in with the pillowy base. I'm gonna be starting off with the palette from Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. I'm going in with the color Ada. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and the one that I'm using is the e.l.f. blending brush. You guys, e.l.f. has very good brushes, like they're so affordable and they're very good. Like you guys, I have washed this brush several times and I haven't experienced any fallout from the bristles. It still holds up well, very affordable. I don't remember how much I got this brush, but it's a very good blending brush. So I'm just gonna use this to blend out the color Ada that I used. So I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, like a dark brown, and this is from the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here. It's gonna be using this brush from Real Techniques to apply that darker shade that I showed you on the outer corner of my eyes, like so. And on the inner corner of my eyes as well. I'm going for a gold look. Oh, I made a little bit of mistake. Then I'm gonna be blending them together. I'm gonna blend these two shades together, like so. I'm using this gold shimmer shade here. With this eyeshadow brush, it's from my brush set. For some reason, the eye brushes from my brush set brushes last longer than the face brushes. This was part of the first set of makeup brushes that I bought when I first started out on makeup. The face brushes are all gone, but the eye brushes, I still have a few of them, like probably 3 or 4. No, not 3 or 4. I still have like almost 6 of the eye brushes, but the face brushes, after a couple washes of those brushes, they're all bad. But My brush set makeup eye brushes are good. I've washed them and they still hold up really well. So I'm going to go in with a blending brush to blend this out. So I just wore my lashes. I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Master primer stock with this primer. It is inexpensive. It helps make my makeup last longer. I'm going for a more, I don't know what to call it, like glowy kind of look. So I'm going to be using the MELANIE Bronze Gold on my skin, my nose, my forehead, my chin, and cheekbone. Each time I wear makeup on my videos, I moisturize my skin before I start the video, because for the most time I always like take a shower before I film any makeup video, and I wouldn't want to put on a moisturizer on a dry skin. I like to do it in the restroom before I show up here. That's the reason why you don't see me using a moisturizer like when I film a makeup video. So now I'm done with that. I'm going to be using the Black Opal foundation stick to cover up the hyperpigmentation that I have and the spots going on my skin. I have one here. If you haven't tried this trick, I suggest you try it, because color correcting stick, for some reason it doesn't work for me. I have tried it like for years and years of doing makeup, but for some reason it doesn't last. Like, I would still see the shadow of the hyperpigmentation when I finished my makeup, and I haven't been lucky with the color correcting concealer for covering up my spots. I'm not doing this. I'm just like dabbing it on there so we don't move the product. The foundation I will be using is the Burkina 310 from Juvia's Place and Tanzania 205. I use this in my other makeup video. The reason, if you didn't watch that video, you should check it out. The reason why I mix this two is because Burkina is lighter and Togo is darker. And from the website, it says that Togo is my shade. And I mean, look at that. This is Togo and this is Burkina. Burkina is too bright for me, Togo is too dark for me. So I just mix the two shades together to get my actual shade. So I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 10, and I'm going to be using, to contour, I'm going to be using the number in 3. This is the Real Techniques blending brush. Oh, sorry, no. This is the Real Techniques contour brush. I'm just gonna use this to blend this out. I'm just being light-handed with this. To set under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari. I'll just put it here. So what I do is I dip it on, like, in the powder, and I'll just dab it like so before I take it to my eyes. So that way I'm not adding excess product on my skin. Chrome highlighter. This one is in molten gold. Like, I don't like it when the highlighter comes off really obvious on my skin. On camera, under my eyes look like white, but here it does not look as white as what you see on camera, please. I'm gonna set the whole of my makeup with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. For my lips, I'm gonna be using the MAC NIGHTMOTH lip pencil. And I'm going to be using MAC lipstick in Rebel. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so that way when I get new videos you don't miss any uploads from me. Thank you guys so much for watching.